My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to solve JAMB past question, mathematics for year 2020. Let's begin to solve this question together. The turning point of a curve y equals to 5 minus 8x minus 2x raised power 2. Let me write out this question. The first thing that we need to do is to look for the dy dx of this question. Y equals to what? 5 minus 8x minus 2 raised power 2. How do we look for the dy dx? Dy dx equals to, this one is constant. It means that it does not have any x. We have to do what? Ignore it. The next thing that we need to do is that one, anything raised power x, what is raised power is 1 because we can't see it is 1. You are going to say minus 8 times 1 minus 1. The next one, 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, x raised power 2, you minus it. Anything raised power that x, you are going to be minusing the 1 from it. Now let's proceed. The y dx equals to minus 8 times 1 is going to give us 8, x 0. Anything raised power is 0 is going to give us what? 1. 2 times 2, let's put this 4. 2 minus 1, that's 1. Therefore, our final answer for this one, the y dx equals to, anything raised power 0 is 1. Minus 8 times 1 is going to give us minus 8 over 4x. This is our final answer. The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to say dy dx equals to what? Equals to 0. Therefore, we are going to say dy dx equals to what? Is 0, isn't it? Now, let's write our question out. Minus 8 minus 4x equals to what? Is 0. Let's collect light time. Minus 4x equals to 0. By the time it jump, minus 8 jump, it will change to plus 8. Therefore, divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4. Here. We are going to have 4 here 1, 4 here 2. We are going to have minus 2. X is equal to what? Minus 2. Now we are substitute for x. Now remain y, because the question say the point, the turning point, x and y. Therefore, we are going to use the equation, the first equation, this equation that we use, the question give us. That's what we are going to use, that when x is equal to minus 2, therefore y equals to substitute for y. 8, what is our, let me first write out the question. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus, what is our x? Our x is minus 2. Minus 2 raised power 2. Therefore, 5. 8 times 6. 8 times 2 is going to give us 16. Therefore, minus 16, because we have minus 2 here. 8 times minus 2 is going to give us minus 16. Minus 2 times 2, minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 is going to give us plus 4. Therefore, 2 times 4. Y is equal to, this one we change to what? Plus 16 minus 2 times 4 is going to give us 8. Therefore, our y is going to be what? 13. 5 plus 16, 21. 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Therefore, our y is 13. X, therefore the point, let's draw the point. What is our x? Our x is minus 2. Why our y is what? 13. This is our final answer. Do we have this? Minus 2 plus 13. Minus 2 plus 13. Yes, our final answer is A. Let's move to the next question. Integrate with respect to x. Now, to integrate, we first expand the bracket first before we integrate. Integrate is like a backward of the dy dx. When you find your final answer for dy dx, you have to go back to know the question that you used to solve your this. Let me write out the question so that you understand what I'm trying to say. X plus 2. Now let's expand the bracket. Let's open the bracket. X raised power 2 times x is going to give me 3x raised power 2 times going to give me 2x. Now I've expanded it now. This one look like k divide the x, the final answer of divide the x. If you want to go backward, the way we are going to go backward, you are going to add to the raised power, and divide it with your final answer that you get. This one is 3 plus 1 at the top. It's going to give me 4. You divide it by 4 again. For example, something like this, 3 plus 1. What is it? It's going to give me 4. You divide it by 4 plus this one, 2. 2 plus 1 is going to give me 3. Divide it by 3. What is the final answer? Is going to give me x raised power 4 over 4 plus 2 raised, yes, x raised power 3 over 3. You now say plus c. that c that c mean constants. You know, when you are calculating the y dx, anyone that does not have any x or any letter like x, something like that, we ignore it because it does not have any relevance, just a constant. You just add this one as a constant to it. But this one, if I want to look for the y dx again, we are going to get back this our final answer, this answer again. It's like in the backward of it. If I say 4 minus 1, what is it going to give me? I just say 4 times divided by, it's just going to give me, let me say 4x, 4 minus 1 divided by 4. This 4 cancel out 4. The final answer is going to be x raised power 3. Therefore, it's giving me back the x here, raised power 3. It's like the backward, going back. Now, our final answer is going to be x raised power 4 divided by 4 plus 2x raised power 3 divided by 3 plus c. Do we have that here? Yes. D. Yes. The final answer is D. This one, D. Let's move to the next question. The area under the curve y equals to x raised power 2 between 0 and x is equal to 2 is what? Now, let's integrate this one as well. Let me write out the question. Integrate, like the backward of the y dx. Now, what is it going? Yes, I said that we are going to integrate this one as well, like going back to the y dx before we arrive to this x raised power 2. Therefore, our answer, we are just going to add ones to the raised power, and whatever it gives us, we use it to divide it. X2 plus 1, that's 3 divided by 3. Therefore, x raised power 3 over 3, isn't it? We have gotten this one. Now, the question say that s equals to what? Equals to 2. Therefore, we are going to replace this x with 2 when x equals to what? Equals to 2. Therefore, 2 raised power 3 3. Now let's expand. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. We are going to get 8 over 3. This is our final answer. Do you have our final answer there? 8 divided by 3. Yes, A. A. Let's move to the next question. The pie chart above represents the export commodity of a certain country in 1 year. If wheat accounted for 13 number 1 over 3 percentage of the export for the year, find the size of the angle representing palm kernel. The question said that the wheat accounted for 13%, 13 1 over 3 percentage for the whole export. The total of the degree in this circle is 360. Since the wheat is accounted for 13, we are going to do what? 13 1 over 3 to know the number of degree that the wheat has. Therefore, we are going to do what? Multiply it. No, this one is percentage. Multiply by what? By the 360 degree of the total for the whole year. Therefore, width, to know the width. Therefore, 13 times 3 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 39 plus 1 is going to give us 40. 40 over 3 percentage multiplied by 360 degree, isn't it? Therefore, we are going to say 14 divided by 3 divided by 100 percentage, because it's 100 is in percentage, divided by 100 percentage, multiply by 360 degree, isn't it? Now this percentage, this division, let me bring it up. 40 divided by 3 divided by 100 multiply by 360 degree, isn't it? To change this division to multiplication, it means that I'm going to put the 1 up and bring the 100 down, and bring the what? The 100 down. Therefore, we are going to bring the 100 down if you want to change the divisions to multiplication. Let me just manage this space. I did not manage this space very well. Okay, 40 divided by 3 multiply by 1 over 100 multiply by 3 multiply by 360 degree. 0 here is 0 here, 0 here is 0 here. So 3 can still go, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, and 3 here 2. What do we have left? We have 12 and 4. Therefore, 4 times 12 is going to give me 48. Therefore, 48 degree for the width. The width is going to be what? 48 degree. Let me write 48 here. Now, the question is asking us find the size of the angle representing palm kernel. Therefore, what is left now is this one. The palm kernel does not have anything. We have 100 here, we have 140 here, and we have 48 here. It means that the total of it must be 360, isn't it? Therefore, for the 360 equals 360 degree minus, you are going to add up the 100 for the rubber, for the cocoa 140, plus for the width 48 degree. Therefore, 100 plus 140 plus 48, 360 minus 288. What is it going to give us? Minus 360 is giving 72 degree. It means that for the palm kernel degree is what? 72 degree. Do you have 72 there? That's what the question is asking us here. That what is the angle representing palm kernel? 72 degree. C. Final answer is what? C. Let's move to the next question. If the mean of the 40, 38, YYX 32 is 36, what is the formula for the mean? Is what? Summation of the Fs divided by the frequency, isn't it? Therefore, we have, what is the total summation? We have to add it up. Total summation is 40 plus 38 plus y is going to give us 2y, because we have 1y. Therefore, we have 2y here plus 1x plus 32 divided by the how many total of the frequency? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total is 6, isn't it? And we have the final answer of the mean. The question has given us mean of 36. That is 36. Now let's add up this thing. 40 plus 38 plus 32. We have 110 plus 2y plus x divided by 6 equals to 36. Now let's cross multiply. Cross this one multiply. What is 36 times 6? It's going to give us 216. 110 plus 2y plus x. Therefore, 2y plus x equals to 6 times 36 is going to give us 216, isn't it? Let's collect like sign. Let's bring 216 to this side so that we have our now let's collect like time. Therefore, we have 2y plus x equals to, we have 216 here, isn't it? This one, by the time it jump is equal to, it will change to negative 110. 2sy plus x equals to 210 minus 110 is going to give us 106. 106. Our final answer is 2y plus x equals to 106. Do we have this answer here? 2x plus s, 106, 2x plus s, 106. Yes, 2y plus x, 106. Our final answer is what? C. Let's move to the next question. The median of the number is what? Is now the first thing that we need to do, we need to arrange this number what from the from in ascending order, because you cannot just pick the median just like this. We need to first do what? To arrange your number first. The question give us something like this. 6. This is what the question gives us. How many digits there? The middle one is the median one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to arrange this one in ascending order. The smallest one starts from what? From 5. How many 5 we have there? 1. What followed by 5? 6. How many 6 do we have there? I have 2, 6. Is 7 there? 7 is not there. Is 8 there? 8 is there. How many 8? 2, 8. 9 there? 9 is not there. 10. 10 is not there. 11. Yes, 1, 11. What follow after that? Think 13. Therefore, how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is 7 digits now. Therefore, we are going to divide it by 3, 3. The middle one, from here 3, from here 3. The median one, which is the median, is what? Is 8. We have 8. The median one is 8, which is B. Let's move to the next question. In how many ways can a committee of 2 boys and 1 girl be selected from a group of 5 boys and 3 girls? Yes, in how many ways can a committee of 2 boys and 1 girl be selected from a group of 5 boys and 3 girls? This combination, the group of what? 5. Let's say this one for boys, maybe 5, 5, a group of 5 boys that we want to select two what? 2 boys. Multiply by girls. What is the group of the girls? 3. We put the group at the top. Selected how many? How many girls do we want to select? Just only 1. Now, how to solve this question? We are going to do it like this for the boys. Okay? 5 over 5 minus 2 bracket, and repeat the same that 2 that you want to select. Multiply by the same formula. 3 minus 1 bracket, only one that we want to select. Therefore, what we have here, we have this one will be 3 here, 2 here. This one will be 3. This one will be 2, 1 bracket. Therefore, let me divide this space so that we continue from there. For this one, we have 5 multiplied by 4. Let's stop there. The next 3, let's say 3. Let me stop at the 3. 3, 2, this. These 3 that stop here, we cut out each other. This one, it will be 2. 2 times 1, 2. The total, the remaining one here will be 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. And this one at the up here will be 2 times 3 times 2, because it will be going backward. 3 times 2 times 1. Then divided by 2. That's what we have there. This one has cancelled out each other. 5 times 4, that's 20. 2 times 1 here, 2. I have 2 here. This one, 3 times 2, 6. Divided by 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 10. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 3. What we have left is 10 times 3. What is it going to give us? 30. Do we have 30? This is the way, number of way a committee of 2 boys and 1 girl can be selected from the stated group, which is 30 ways. B, our final answer is what? B, 30 ways they can be selected. Let's move to the next question. Given 2 dependent events, X and Y, such that probability of X equals to probability of Y equals to half, what is P? Probability of S union Y. Therefore, to find the probability of their union for the X and Y, S and Y, we say probability of X plus probability of Y minus multiplication of their probability. Therefore, probability of X multiplied by probability of Y. This is the way we are going to solve it. For P of their union equals to, what's the probability of X? They are the same thing, half plus half minus half multiplied by 1 over 2. Therefore, half plus half is going to give us 1. Half plus half is going to give us 1. This one is going to give us 1 over 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. Therefore, 1 minus 1 over 4 is going to give me 3 over 4. How do I get the 3 over 4? Do we need to calculate it? I just say 4 minus 1 is going to give me what? 3 over 4. Or you can say, what's the LCM of the denominator, which is 4. How many 1 can we see in 4? That's 4. 4 times 1, 4. How many 4 can we see in 4? 1. 1 times 1, 1. Therefore, 3 over 4. Our final answer will be 3 over 4. Yes, A. Final answer is what? A. Let's move to the next question. Yes, in how many ways can the letter of the word love be arranged? We can arrange this. Let me write down the love. The letter of it can be arranged in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Therefore, it's going to be arranged in this way. Yes, the letter of love can be arranged in 4 ways in this way. But if we have a letter that appears twice, we will use that number, the letter twice, to divide the 4, letter of 4. Therefore, how to arrange will be 4 multiplied by 3, will be going backward, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1. Therefore, 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 1, 24. They are going to be arranged in 24 ways. Do we have 24 there? Yes, D. Our answer is what? D. Let's move to the final question for this video. 5 persons has to have dinner jointly. In how many ways can they be selected if they are to sit at a round table? Number of ways will be 5 like this. Therefore, to expand this one, you are going to multiply it backward. 5 multiplied by 4, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1. It will be going descending order. Therefore, 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. 20 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 60. 60 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 120. 120 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 120. Therefore, they are going to do what? To be selected in 120 ways is our final answer. Do we have 120 from that option? Yes, our final answer is what? A. This is the final question for this video. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.